Here are 10 visualization examples that may help you create wealth. 1. Visualize yourself achieving your financial goals. Close your eyes and imagine yourself achieving your financial goals. Imagine the feelings of accomplishment, freedom, and security that come with having the resources you need to live the life you want. 2. Visualize yourself making smart financial decisions. See yourself making smart financial decisions, such as saving money, investing wisely, and budgeting effectively. 3. Visualize yourself building a successful business. Imagine yourself building a successful business that generates income and allows you to live the life you want. 4. Visualize yourself earning more money. See yourself earning more money through promotions, raises, or starting a side hustle. 5. Visualize yourself paying off debt. Imagine yourself paying off debt and becoming financially free. 6. Visualize yourself saving for the future. See yourself setting aside money for emergencies, retirement, and other long-term goals. 7. Visualize yourself living within your means. Imagine yourself making mindful spending decisions and living within your means. 8. Visualize yourself building wealth over time. See yourself steadily building wealth over time through consistent saving and investing. 9. Visualize yourself enjoying the fruits of your labor. Imagine yourself enjoying the fruits of your labor, such as traveling, buying a home, or supporting loved ones. 10. Visualize yourself being financially secure. See yourself being financially secure and able to weather any financial storm that may come your way. Like, subscribe, and comment.